Canon approaches printer security from 3 aspects: devices, network and cloud, and documents. Using security environment estimation developed by machine learning AI, Canon's printers support users in setting up an appropriate settings for comprehensive defense against threats. It helps protect your business no matter your IT security knowledge. It is necessary to consider various factors such as the network configuration of the office, whether the internal or external systems are connected, and the use of special protocols to properly assess and determine how to set the printer to the optimal security. With IT expertise, one can properly understand these factors and determine the security settings that are appropriate to the environment. However, without an IT expertise, these can be challenging to implement. But with select printers from Canon, technology takes on the role of an IT administrator. The Security Environment Estimation technology comprehensively evaluates various factors and situations necessary for security settings and proposes the optimal configuration. It enables robust security settings without the need for IT security knowledge. And in the event of any changes to the network, it will propose the optimal settings according to the situation, helping to maintain the appropriate security level. Improve your print security experience with Canon's AI-assisted features.